everyone, thought I'd just do a little update. So we got the front desk up. It gave us some room for some storage. We got that up. This is starting to take more shape up here. We got our electric chair out. See, it goes like that. Goes like that. Let that out. So I did a lot today because tomorrow is the first day of school for me, and now that school is starting, I won't be able to do as much. So we started to put stuff in the back room. So my battery's running pretty low, so that's all I'm really gonna do. Thanks for watching this short video.